Hello friends, today we're going to make a tea set. I've drawn the lines on here to make stripes so that they're all equal. The lid, I'm going to show you exactly how I drew those out. And you just do them in equal parts to make where you can have equal amounts of stripes. So there I'm adding the black. And I just love how this looks. It turns out so cute. They match up really well in the top and the bottom. We're going to add the red paint to this one, add some polka dots. I just love adding the little polka dots with this little daughter. It is just so fun to do, so cute. The red is a Waverly paint from Walmart. It is called, let me think about it, Crimson Red. Crimson Red by Waverly. Then I'm going to add some liquid leaf to the legs and to the top, the spout and the handle. The liquid leaf just makes everything look so beautiful. It just adds such a perfect touch to the end. Then I'm going to do the spout and I'm going to add it to the handle. Just looks so pretty. I just absolutely love it. And I will also add it to the inside of this one because there is no lid. So anytime there's not a lid to the silver, I will add the liquid leaf on the inside. This one here, we're going to go back and add all the gold to the handles, and we're going to do some sweet little striping here in a minute. We're going to add this to the legs. It just looks so nice, you guys. Anytime that you can add liquid leaf to your project, it just gives it just a finished look. Okay, and then I'm going to use a line brush to add the stripes on these. And I'm at the bottom of the screen. Let me move that here. There's the stripes. This is just like the finishing touch to when you add the black stripes, you just go over with the gold. It just makes your project look finished. Just takes a few minutes to do that. Let me grab the other piece here. This is the large picture. We're going to start adding dots to it along the red. We stuck with the theme red, white, and black with the gold finishes. Just looks so pretty. I think it has that royal look to it. Reminds me of Alice in Wonderland or maybe Minnie Mouse. I just think it's super cute. Adding the gold stripes here to it to give it that finished look. I know I keep saying finished look, y'all, but it does. It just finishes it off so pretty. We're just about done here. You guys are going to be amazed at how cute this is when it's finished. I just absolutely love it. Here's the finished pieces. So pretty. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys will come hang out with us. Rekindle blessings. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much.